sharing a little bit more in detail about these little prizes. So if you're hosting a baby shower, you're throwing a baby shower, this is a really cool option because you can kind of give these either giveaway bags or prizes if you're doing games to people, and it's not necessarily baby themed, but it's something like, you know, just kind of cute and nice to give. So I will put these together so you can see what they look like and everything that comes in it, but I want to show you guys everything laid out here. So this is what it looks like all put together here. And then you can attach a little thank you note. It has it already pre-printed. It says, thank you for celebrating with us. So again, you can use this as party favors for any type of shower, birthday party, you know, anything that you want to do, but this makes it so easy that way you're not having to go buy a bunch of little things. So I'm going to show you everything that's in here really quick. It comes with this like little like fake eucalyptus stem, which is so cute. I think each person gets a couple of these. I need to count and see how many comes in with those. My favorite part of this is the little cheese cutter board. So it comes with a little wooden cutter board. So this would be cute, especially if you're doing like a party that has like charcuterie or something at it. This would be cute to kind of like tie into that theme. So it comes with that little cheese board, cute little like wooden spoon. And like what I would do if it was my party, I would set one of these up like with a little like cheese board and stuff, just to like show people like, hey, this is how cute this whole thing is. Then it comes with a little fork and knife here for any like cheese spreads or meats that you want to put on there. And then also comes with like a little hand towel as well. So again, it's just a really cute party favor. I feel like a lot of party favors are kind of just like, I don't know, not very useful to people. I feel like this one, number one, makes it look easy. 2, makes it look like you put a lot of thought into it. And 3, gives them things that they will actually use. So if you're looking at this, I feel like this is a really cute option to add to your parties, either as party favors or prizes, gifts, whatever you want to do. This is a really cute little option.